I shot these portraits using a mirror on a table and a plastic sheet as a background. The whole setup only took about 10 minutes to put together. It's a really cheap setup, but it creates a surprisingly interesting look on camera. I placed a large mirror on top of a high table so it would reflect the model while she's sitting. Then I hung a sheet of polythene behind her to create some texture in the background. The mirror is doing most of the work here. By shooting slightly above the table, you get this clean reflection that adds another layer to the portrait and makes the image feel more dynamic. The plastic sheet also catches the light in an interesting way. Because the plastic surface reflects light differently, you start to get these subtle textures and shapes behind the subject. For lighting, I kept things pretty simple. I used a soft light slightly off to the side to keep the light soft on her face while still allowing the background to pick up some of the highlights. Once everything was set up, it was really just about experimenting with poses and angles. Small changes in the model's position completely change how the reflection appears in the mirror. Sometimes the reflection becomes the main focus of the image, and in other times it just adds a bit of depth to the portrait. What I like about this setup is how simple it is while still producing portraits that feel a bit more editorial. It's a really easy setup to try if you want something a bit more creative without needing a full studio set. Let me know if you'd try something like this. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. I'll see you in the next one. I'm so glad you chose me. You're my one and only. Love remains a mystery. So that we always get banging pictures.
We do, don't we?